Hi everyone, welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In this video, I'll show you how to say Discord in Roblox and some simple ways to get around the chat filter. You'll learn how to type Discord in-game without it getting censored. Now let's get started. Step 1, open any web browser on your device like Chrome or Safari, or open the app so you can access the Roblox website. This is the first step to getting into your account. Step 2, go to roblox.com and sign in to your Roblox account using your username and password. Signing in is important to access your games and chat features. Step 3, from the home page, open any Roblox game you want to play where you want to send the message. You need to be in-game to access the chat bar. Step 4, once inside the game, tap on the chat typing bar located at the top left corner of the screen. This is where you will type your message. Step 5, type Discord in the chat bar and notice that it gets censored. Roblox's chat filter blocks certain words to keep the game safe. Step 6, type Discord with an exclamation mark like Discord in the chat bar. Step 7, try spelling Discord differently, for example typing discard instead of Discord. Experimenting with variations helps you find one that works. Step 8, send the message and check which variation is not censored. Keep trying until you find a version that appears correctly in the chat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful Roblox tips.